Everyone na be kan say Agadas ni bo from asesa ne no mako.
Ana sanity say na bufu. Okay, me so ko tin say the hotel na say ye ka Yeziva no so onye justify player.
Na onye justify sin.
Ana all of a sudden no me so one e o ka ati asenti bra na be ye yenkoye
kan say. Over my catch say Agadas is back into Kotoko camp.
Oh no dey. Say me ka say enyu na that nura ni me wo nti wo ho dey a me ha.
Omo ka bi ma ne ye akase mama. Obi a afanu ni nyina to mo ho ase.
To Agadas Kotoko camp.
Wa she Jesse cry training.
Hey. Okay.
Wa she Jesse cry training.
Exclusive.
Nti no.
Oh no that's all.
Wa she Jesse cry training. Che say sisi idea nti asia ba afanu ni nyina. O kai say ne nansa na me be ka say. Now maintain me ho ase contract you know ama striker club bisa me say me sure say na me say boss asa me ka choro tie nie Kotoko say we be ma no 1 ono so op 2 eno no da ho na afa susu no ada no no bi anakeka ka ho an de wo de no ato ho no for now but the meeting can say Agadas is back in Accra, back in camp, back in Jesse.
Na bi okoye bia the good news is Kotoko camp sisi
back in training.
We change you for Koko baby Kotoko dano.
Mo fre Kotoko for no musa.
Na bet ma fre camp. Okay. Agadas say aka say prebia ni ho a. O jamfin for no wo ye adwuma no a. Asa, ye nim di o timi.
Ofa we na news bi ba say Kwame Poku Kotoko for Asante Kotoko sa afre no. Want? Net trend on social media
Kwame Poku.
Ai.
Is it news me tia men down to because we na na ya say we dey me tia sisia na. Jama we.
Me ne Kwame din komo awie o Kumase.
Okay, Kwame Kumase.
Kwame Kumase.
O so Kumase Robert ma wo but we na good news ro what.
Bi Akoto to kwan. Akoto so oni ho.
Ara Akoto ni ho a o di konka.
Bi kwanka na termination nka o mo dia pochere den sem so onye no nko.
Sa me de me kran say.
O mo ka say nkonko pe crab mla no o mo fa ni nko loan.
Okay.
O ka me nim crab bi a wo ba bi a me ko loan. Senka ye ma 1 year loan na wo kwa na say no ana no. Say offer meti ma catch now say an Ethiopian club is on the tail of Kwame. Na club no say obema Kwame 1 year contract pay agent no de odi aba no. Na Kwame is at the crossroad and I say the decision making point because say termination ni ba as say Kwame decide maka cho say board wa kan kire Atapoku say
board we aduana
whatever it will cost to bring Kwame Poku to Doma on formula Baby Go Stars for say they are ready to pay for Kwame to come to Baby.
Oh fella no
offer
I good
for no crowd there no we say anyone no Kwame obuase
ana kampese mi huni
no anyone no Kwame anyone da na Kwame obuase anyone da na Kwame obuase
ahwehwe ma wo mo
anyone da na Kwame obuase as go for no so zito ani abredin de say crodom
okay
offer the chato no most packer ono so to
packer praise was on be 10 on 12
well here was here Kwame for Africa
has the end mem won say dey
has the end dey wonim supporters no
e
pushing
test waters na hwe
na omo the pressure man penifo no say omo me fa Kwame Poku say ne Kotoko be fa Poku fiye no we say na dana tama ne me ye ho ayi wa hanom no say Kotoko for ina atotwe na say yipa mu a omo me fa no na omo giri say Kwame be san sori na say see no say Kwame anko Ethiopia no a of obe choose between has Ediana and Mediama.
So Kwame a hot cake you.
Dika.
Ghana League here boy dey striker there say.
Kwame kan ho bi.
Oh. Hey, and nobody Kwame Poku oboase picture na to so no. Oboase Kwame no oboase da so no.
No Kwame say oboase a we ayi wo your boy Tompo tiko no kan. Ana na tiko kan. Also hot cake ko sakra no.
Hey. Over.
Kwame ha na bi Kwame. Yes, Kwame ha o ko rebo ni bi o.
Over. Over you.
Kwame ha no so
na you oboase
Super League.
You oboase na go do one. So Super League no mo so.
India.
So we say mintombo amatombo. But
hey, Mr. Nakofe,
I come in Chile Moon that's no.
About Kwame hot cake. About him Ghana terrain now.
Yeah.
Strikers no one now.
Now.
Yeah.
Never tell you Kotoko Africa no.
we team no ahyehyɛ duru baabi a obetumi apɛ Kwame de na gyina anim hɔ ana sɛ Kwame ne go hyɛ ne deɛ
ɔyɛ ho adwuma bɛ sa ba
yɛ kurom ha no wontimi nan enyi Kwame mfirim go ne hyɛ
da Kwame ɔkɔba fufura a obeyi nyama bi afirim no ayɛ serious o ana men kan sɛ
oni nyina gyina
suban
won sɛ ɔbaabi wɔ hɔ a yɛ anti so ne ndɔso
yes to be serious
baabi wɔ so a wankasa wo trans na ho baabi
a yes
wofura ene sɛ ne
o sɛ ba o sɛ wi
nyama
ya
sɛ trans mo ani nda hɔ
sure
you are right baabi a ɛne wo teams bi wɔ hɔ a ɔho so kuma mi ndi ne bɛn mo tetene ɛbɔbɔ no
besa mam tompo de na wo ne Kwame go na wo pɛ mam tompo de no
gyina stand
me pɛ we no
everyday bi so kuma mi ndi on sɛ Kwame imagine Kwame wɔ baabi ani go stars atakumi goals no ɔhyɛ Kwame bɛhyɛ bi
oh yes
oh bɔ
penalty bɛ da Kwame ne bɛbɔ
what's what I say free kick bi da 18 na chi bi oba
so also point o
ti
go kill no kra no betu preview
ɔbɛgye ne so teams bi wɔ Kwame kɔ a ebi ɔno bɛ look at BSK ba baabi ani pace wɔ
yes
ebi ɔmo ntumi mbɔ
even media makra say the danger
can te sɛ kɔtɔkɔdeɛ no but they will give you
yeah
so all comes back to the fitness of Kweame Poku and his readiness to
ma bra we no wie na me metin so preko ninja
enti offer say Kwame say no Kwame is at the decision making point where assess will decide say obekọ kwaje bam wo Ethiopia na about 1 year ana say or say 2 years bi no they are relaunching career ayere no ho abo ama afi no ebia na bam kese bia buru Ethiopia de no kwa nso so asan ba so enti eno na ase say amanfo bo Kwame say ube Kwame kakra
average
okay because
your mom be ben homo pa
anka behind the scene come no be din komo bi nanka wo de atoto nsani anya
say over Ethiopia 1 year no be ba no na
oh na oh na say Kwame da sia mu dada oh na no mi share no not white bi mu
cola bi na mi
sa
so ka o se de jalo believe me na lo ka lo okay onu de kwa de ni mu bebre je say e be mu no ha
tu hu no
oh se be ko
ka ka si
oh okay
bi so ala mi share so jala
Kwame nyemre
onye bad sa
on so timi ko banko na o timi tutu achi ya ebetimi agina ho a on so fa dollars no se bi hye ho a na o tutu no me ye betimi agina ho achew e na ho no sign no fee na abegye ene salary na ebe ba no agina wo abra abo na abebo no so imagine say month so je $5,000 of our in 1 year you are talking about $60,000 a young guy Ghana who could $60,000 ebi a waje sign on fee be $50,000 bonuses ni ade mba and of also tu kwan ko bi ma so a na so ani da ho a e ya mboka gidigidi saa o obetimi akata wani asend I decided so there bosum bi abesend $200 abafie fie for month me nyusu amamo de mirifa because $200 almost 2,500 now the brefie bosum bi ana mo fan 10 na mo ntimi fan 10 de asend ye mo amasem and as $200 ubo ni year bonuses ne nyoma no man keten it can be up to that $200 no into a Ghana ni na kwatro bi ma so I remember speaking to Francis Akwafo na Akwafo si ono no otu kwan ne dia na yeso pon trainer na obeche fie na obogie nti ade e freka endorse sa they say Ghana he ya nke bi abobo awie boys si o yem fa tira nko tranji ani no so you obi a ni da no akobi ma so a ha no kra nye den ma so a unya mostly players yi omo mani da opa no okwa no aforso a on say Africa na ya visa penny nye den nti o serious girl bi a no aforso a no ofa na ade akwese ne nche nti waduane no a ono a na be ya on bibia bia
ne no ano no
this nti we ba no mo say wo ba na
ofa Ethiopia de media me ma ya yi kakra e ho de hu
o ska ho
na omo wo baby girl so
players have been paid wo on say ofa yo krodu o ha wan hwe yi a o te South Africa say no o hwe e man nkomodie mu a ofa one kentima o be say obesay
Ethiopia de ogro ho dia wa he ya
no any Rwanda money ofa ne Rwanda say
the transit bu ho na anwumre no be ne afta no
Rwanda na
Ethiopia so na make no masa say
oba mo fe so we player now but a bottle of amwani omwani dawa omwani and also ofa no ono mo nkomodie ne ntisa ha no
yeah sure
Oh, you take her out on a date.
Yeah.
What you say?
Hey, well, baby girl, what yeah? Oh, this will go on baby girl. I'm a friend. Oh, dear, yeah.
What you say? Oh, nyadi, watch him, no choko. Oh, if she agrees and go out or call out on a date with you, you come with it's kind of soon over the amount of money these boys are receiving. And they go ha. Omutimi ba a level no financially and just some more metro mu esi ane ntu no fopa. Because sikebi wo ha e ba won sem afia. What free average Ghanaian level. Oh, what free average Ghanaian level. As long as we to turn your me because the average Ghanaian when you 5,000 Ghana cedis are we okay oh. Ghana more than 5,000. The last survey by next around the average Ghanaian did 3,000 Ghana cedis. Me ka so a player. Now we just $4,000, $5,000 a month. Or the ever say any deduction of $1,000. Keep $4,000. Now saying a dollar no say my baby room. And I say elsewhere no. Boys need $1 no. Into a bag or the dollar neighbor. Oh, some of them Ghanaian player. $80,000 good tables to see. Not the video call. Oko Egypt. Ghanaian player, they signing on fee.
It's okay. Omundu bank.
80,000. Yeah, it's Alpha Bank.
Okay.
80,000 signing on fee. 80,000. See. It's over. So to turn your money ka Caribbean. And into the boys in Mozambique, Zambia, Kenya, no more economy free hano. Afa hani die a basic assembly man enye. So if genuinely Kweame Poku or deal outside, there's no way he will opt for a year any of the local teams. Sure. But this draws my attention to something. For because he say, it's agencies not dorsal. Nothing say moving forward. Minimum say menzo mobile. Players say Akoto omompeno. Kebia you do be January. No more started. The class outside the mom. Only the amount local transfer near Dema players near say. Local transfer, the clubs cannot pay the salaries of these players. For instance, as a Kweame Poku 8,000. How many Ghanaian clubs outside Kotoko has Diama, Diana or Baby and go start recruitment here? And so Mama Kari no tries all the player na Okoha or because uncle. So it will come back to termination of contract. But bet me a club with Kenya. I would did 10th. I bet me a customer. I bet me a customer. $2,000.
Some new links now.
Yeah. Then so my plan $2,000. So $2,000 no. I bet more than your boy in Joha. Obe dim can be. I may be our club bet me about $20,000 me. $30,000 be a free. But I am who say players do no more cry administrators nahi. Or the players need make me frustrate you ama. And that is why we need people. That's why we need people who can take away emotions. Negotiators. Professionals. Professionals. But also when you deal with somebody day to day, sometimes you become emotionally attached. And emotions it defeats professionalism kakra.
But there's no way I'll be emotional, you can get it right.
Exactly.
No way.
When man say player pa open o bre o friend o ba no abon de troka and wo be hiama wunya ba tam ne letter to ama na say free club de moko ba sa ne won kofo omo no sa ne omo no omo mba ho omo ti ba bi nti emotional issues no hu
nka hu kra
it ono no de na ogi na kuma na free mu look at how the club can make money ti sa kofo no player bi obi anya na obepa mo no so munya abotre mepe agent. And if our clubs can start doing that, that's the only way you bet me apamu players na nyakakra. Because you be say Saka Dauda yesu oko. You be say Prince Bedu of yesu oko.
Saka beji ne letter ebia by Monday. Eyi agene de.
Prince Bedu de waje.
Prince Bedu agene de.
Of Prince Bedu je letter no. I am telling you today in a conversation that I was privy to. Bedu, they are working on something for Bedu.
Welcome.
I say if ni 3 years, na nyame si behena. He might join one of these Eastern African clubs.
Okay.
And this coming from an agent. Or you're very close to Kotoko.
country am you musuye na covid time na Ethiopia players be ko ka hokro munye sika no mo dia babagi
they say was covid time
and I can be busa me so de mama ha covid dey say dey be you
obi am say asemsi
na na hoye
oba Ethiopia say na tie 1 year dey osika abeje ne dey omrema edu ba bia no mo nkomodie no nukure nim sa
Ethiopia for yes na wo ye mo him
no mo nukure die no nukure die
ba one day obeje
intimi say me ne one player Odiana Kotoko oko Ethiopia. After first season, say boss award. Second season, when man na be 3 months be akem. 3 months be akem. Tell them that lad call about. But the so to me 2 years. Obeba no. Now the bibiaba.
I get you.
Also, you remind you so 5,000. 2 years 120,000 Ghana cedis. That's 1.2 billion old Ghana cedis. Now the nipa no just $6,000. Into 1 year and it's a bash show. The person is around $72,000 US. So dollar near 10 cedi in par. 720,000 Ghana cedis. 2 years 120,000 Ghana cedis. Another 1 year 720,000 Ghana cedis. It's a wood yen fiebe num and send a do there 1 year. So yes, they face challenges. And okay. Something at the ladaba. Sounds a caliber manquaba. I don't from Ponaba.
Yeah.
To 4 from Pomokoba. What happened?
Yeah.
The issue is that I want to meet Jiramu 2 years. Na a question show ma 2 years. And a question show ma 1 year. Obebano. Now we are okay change there. One way Jiramu have 5 years.
Okay. What do you make a kana danger sangram na?
Vision in Black Meteors game no abene we good. I 2-2. There's a vision. 2 goes down.
Okay.
2-2. Offer Ochina, the entire Kotoko team, technical team, it's a typical management. So there's a management. The technical team,
the executive chairman rather.
Yeah.
He's
the head of the management. Yeah, and because of the dual rule.
No? Yes, also head of the board. And or 2 board members.
And
the
yeah.
And what the board members are extremely active with the day-to-day run of Kotoko.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Then you talk about the branch manager.
David is so
you talk about the operations manager.
Yeah.
Talk about the administrative manager, the special assistant.
The special assistant is also there. The consultant is also there.
So at least someone 7.
Yeah. And group E plus the technical team and then the playing body. Stormy tema. Na coach Ochina. So Ochina mean that. Coach Prince Owusu. Ni maame Ochina na yeah ope baby di na kra.
One former coach. Prince Owusu call UK.
Prince Owusu yeah.
Ni maame frame.
Oh, ni maame frame. Oh Kotoko na na.
Okay.
Incident.
After the year drew so.
Ochina na wo ye no. Nti the entire team ni na be call na omakota na chi. Na wa kra abrewa chi fe kama. Na say omko show the last respect to their former coach ni maame. Say bibia anya kama na say no anu nti.
That's the coach of town.
Oh, now we are one year there. We tell
say buche no bia na onyame na na do no kwa o yi wo kwa na ga woni yan kontimi mabako
you calculation na one bank
aha na say people are ticket you know we all kwa brocha o kodu ya na ma mi wi ya na ti say musie ni ma mi
no boa
na musie no out no oh say ma say ticket 10,000 over no go 20,000
yeah no
put me there
ntimi nya bika ho na mo de ya we
put me there no enti wo fa no am say menzo there ni some wo ka no yebedi hu nkomo the good thing is that say na Kotoko pesa oko and wo ka kire yen the kwa Kotoko pesa faso
no wa ka kire
and wo ka kire yen and my idea so Kotoko supporters so
yeah na also do any to
so we say na baby Kotoko pesa omo de bobo kro ekwa pesa omo de faso no na ekwa
na do hu hyem bi
obi anso enti
enkwate ho so be de mempe na mempe sa
unim baby a omo pesa omo de utim ni ko no na wo so obeka hu bi na obi aba be so na ya drive no e de ayden e de akwa kodisi ho no mo na akwa ye fe na je say sa Kotoko na wo pesa wu no se na baby de tie no na wa hu ni sa and I think it is good. Container project here, CCA, ataki shape kama in. At least a different face, so we are the Kodachi. One no baby, and also be different face, so we are the Kodachi. No, my training pitches ne kakra de aka ho with time no we feel say other infrastructure projects be taking place ni nyina no ba eboa then in the next 10 years no ubenya a certain Kotoko a utumi say afa de say ye kasa e bi a Kotoko no ogina bra and e wura po bi man a beauty to watch because infrastructure there super standard enti no omo yesa no more on the field of play there so aka ho de amayen of ambacho so atia
so ye ni me no bom
we dey say we dey mo kura no won say den ahoden no eni wo
gidi e be ko ba ko so che ba
enti be ko ba but say ba ko so no eye de e betimi
but aye bi come na ye tete de so di ba de say nche so mayu mani afri
da bi kura o me dem dey come from keke say omo hwe on so de man because adia has why o put man no adia edi has for nya and say on the field of play results
but I can't want. You are right. So the new combine able more I'm saying things there and yama way. Maybe
one self football club Premier League and I say yeah what matches or boss
okay.
Where you opepa but as good now
that no
or sumo and there was say back at all costs. But I drop my in Chairman.
Hey, Ajua. What's all?
With the message about in Chairman. Many are just say 1.60 something billion pounds now, and $1 and in Kofono minority shareholders. No much canoe.
Hello, Pudiano.
How much you oh, no statement. No.
Mamu sana baba ka wasa na sabe na me ya ko bi
FSG for the statement
ele timi mu be
say scaba
ya be to gidi
scaba
eje dia na eje ya ba komo say ya ko
menzo nko together with other issues I think say it comes back to some Emobia can say we should Kotoko and baby Akotoko jina ni baby amanfo jina getting back to the right level. I'll bet me I can say Ghana standard, but the African standard, any 2 days as well. Any 3 days as well. A massive work that the entire foundation is leaning now. Also, if I say, well, if you are Titifie, if you na ye be bar, our ye be banny, or ye painting, ye to has any amount for bar or many befaso. Yeah, worry anywhere, and ye near Jaho. The next time a bamboo say baby for bubu. A do baby in it me can't see so say. A warrior be an ye be a baby could zero be fear near ye didn't fear bear me and son. A buddha in a sin for fro. In fear me and son ever swing of a BC, you know. A man for by a wabba serabaji. Of us a conscious effort, it comes with some level of discipline. That is what Kotoko here. In terms of funds mobilization, Kotoko aim the African level view. And the bad thing, Pastor Bakasu Kotoko supporters do say registered supporters, because now the world deals with numbers and data. Untimin sorry, because I'm a radio station, Ghana 40. Besides the data we're here, I'll say, maybe I say Ghana 40. Debbie, you need to come with some level of data. Chere say, would the video say to manipa say there? Now when you see at the end, they are convincing partners. No? So at this point, Kotoko supporters, you say. So the fund mobilization, and that will come back to affect attendance. Kotoko amount for patronizing Kotoko merchandise and other and your mayor Kotoko.
Some we can na 3 hours and Kenya badu.
You know for the make Kenya is menzo 10 hours, I say 10 hours, 10 years now.
10 years.
And yet the so because say ewa.
Okay.
What do I say? Now for the last time the man who's because we are doing thing. In case start here again do.
Cause I
last 4 years Kotoko league. The man said last 4 years near Casa Kotoko make Kotoko league. Yeah, they shisha. Come up because oh, one no, myself 4 years about Kotoko league.
Sure.
The last league at Kotoko was 5 years ago. Yes, then got 10 years. Men's Kotoko League 4 in the last 10 years.
Oh yeah, so the BBC and so about now.
Well, we and 10 years, no, because 10 years, and yes, after 10 years, no, Baby,
routine now.
To 4 now.
What Biafra?
The phone most a picture no about Africa, but who signs now say because some person Africa is here the one slot league. FA Cup back. In South Africa, no cocoa to us. And so to me, Ghana League FA Cup. If you bear 9 back to back.
0-3.